Hey, what's going on, everyone? Yusuf from Floori.io here. We are going to quickly go over how we can place a rug on Floori Portal and then also view it in Floori Lite. So, of course, what we're going to do here is we're going to click the Add a Floor button. We're going to select our rug as the floor type. We have a rug that I've just found on a random rug e-commerce website. I was able to get the JPEG. There's obviously no background here, so this will look just fine as you upload it. Just make sure that when you're uploading products, they do not have a background, or the background is at least transparent. So anyway, we just fill in the required fields here. Description is also required. No need to actually put it fully in there for now. You can just put any letter there. And then for room type, this is we're going to dictate which rooms this rug would be good in. Probably like main room, kids room, bedroom, office, maybe a hotel as well. And you can get as specified or as unspecified as you want with all these. There are just some required fields, of course, but all these factors here will be searchable by the product filters. So it's not necessarily a requirement to put all these. At the minimum, just filling out the fields that I showed you are enough. So once I've uploaded this here, now I can dictate what size of this rug. What's the size of this rug here? So we're going to do maybe 5 by 8 here. So we'll do a 5 by 8, and we're going to choose feet. Or if you want to add a price, you can. If you also have the product URL, right? Well, of course you probably do. If it is on your website, you can actually copy and paste that in there. That way, you will be able to hyperlink back to your site if it's not already embedded on your site in the product level page. Next, we upload a texture. So we click this button, upload a product texture, click the Add Texture button, and now we just upload this large, high-quality image. And we click Done, we click Save, and we click Accept. And now we've added that product to our Floori Portal. So now if we click Launch Floori Lite, and we click on a room scene, we will see that rug as an option here on our Floori Portal. And we can place this rug wherever we need to. You can rotate it, right? So as you can see, in minutes, you guys can get started with visualizing your rugs on Floori Portal. Of course, if you want to add different sizes, you absolutely can. You just go here on the Pricing and Options tab. You add a different size, 10 by 13, let's say, and you just follow through the same process that we just did. If you want to have an upload URL, if you want to link the same URL, it's fine. You can upload exactly the same photo even. And what I'll show you here in a second is how the user can actually swap through the different sizes here. So let's just hit save. Everything's been saved, great. So now we just refresh this page here. And when we go back, click the rug here, but there's actually multiple sizes we can choose from here. So now, the rug actually is shown in multiple sizes. The customer can kind of choose which size they are looking for, and voila, you've visualized a rug, you've uploaded a rug in just a couple minutes, and now your customers can see it on their site. So yeah, that's all. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. See you later, guys. Bye.